Vivienne. Today I'm going to teach you how to tie your shoelaces. First, you make an X. Then you tie it. Then you make a left bunny ear. You take the right knot and go around the thumb and the bunny ear. Then you push the thumb and put the knot that you are holding. Quickly grab it with your other hand. Use the other hand to grab this and then pull it. If these are still long, you adjust it by doing this.
Okay.
Then you tie it again. Then you get your perfect knot. Now let's tie the second shoe. So now you do the same thing. Make an X and then you tie it. You make the left bunny ear. Take the other knot and go around the thumb and the bunny ear. Push the thumb and replace it with this. You quickly take it with your left hand and then use the right hand to take the other bunny ear. Then you tie it. And it should be the same length. Then if one is too long and one is too short, you adjust it. You just take this and this will be shorter and the bunny ear would be a lot bigger. Then you tie it. Now it's perfect. Now you can try it at home by yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye!